Good morning students, I am Afsha. Now I have already explained your lesson 4 in English grammar, that is nouns, number. I have explained singular, plural, what is one and many. Now we will do our exercises today. That is on page 16. B. First you have to do this A. This is A exercise. I hope you all have done. 1 horse, 7 horses. 1, and here it is written 3 rulers. So here it is 1. So you will write only ruler. R-U-L-E-R, ruler. 1 lion, many lions. 1 picture, 4 pictures. You have to put S. 1. This is 12 trees. So 1, it will be tree. 1 owl, 15 owls. 1 dove, 2 doves. D-O-V-E-S. 4 eraser, 1 eraser. Eraser. 1 hill, many hills. 1 computer. Computer. Here it is 3 computers. 1 mountain, many mountains. S you will put. 1 tray, 9 trays. T-R-A-Y-S. 1 duck. T-U-C-K. Many ducks. 1 table, many tables. 1 chair, 20 chairs. C-H-A-I-R-S. Chairs. 1 flute, 6 flutes. F-L-U-T-E-S. 1 swan. S-W-A-N. 7 swans. 1 crayon. Crayon. And here it is 8 crayons. 1 hen, 5 hens. H-E-N-S. 1 apple, 20 apples. A-P-P-L-E-S. Apples. So this is your A exercise given on page 15. Then come to page 16. B exercise. The forms of some of the nouns in the following sentences are wrong. Write the correct forms in the blanks. One has been done for you. The hen laid 2 eggs. Here it is written egg. See, the hen, there is only 1 hen and 2 egg it is written. If it is 2 in number, you have to write it in plural form. Egg will be converted into eggs. You have to put S, make it plural form. So same case, see here, the queen put her crowns on her head. Only 1 queen is there and there are so many, it is written plural form of crowns. So you will write C-R-O-W-N-S because it is written here. You will convert it into singular form. C-R-O-W-N, crown. In third one, Humpty Dumpty sat on the walls. You have to convert this walls into wall. So write walls first, then convert it into wall. Singular form. W-A-L-L. Fourth one, Varun wore a pair of white shoes. It will be shoes because it will be plural form. 2 shoes are there now. So S-H-O-E-S. Fifth one, the baker gave me 3 it is, so it will be buns. B-U-N, bun, and then you will convert it into plural form, buns. B-U-N-S. I ate 1 mangoes. 1, it is written 1, so it will be mango, not mangoes. So first you will convert mangoes into mango, singular form, because it is 1. And here it is written 3 orange. It is 3, so it will be in plural form. It will be oranges. So there is no space. So you will write orange here and you will convert it into plural form. O-R-A-N-G-E-S, oranges. 7th one, Veer has 1 pet dogs. 1 it is, so it will be only dog, not dogs. So convert dogs into dog. D-O-G, only dog. 2 rabbits it will be. So rabbit you will put R-A-B-B-I-T, convert into rabbits, plural form. R-A-B-B-I-T-S, rabbits. Mother put 1 shopping bags. 1 it is, so it will be bag, not bags. bags will be converted into bag because it is 1. On the tables, mother put 1 shopping bag on the tables. So there is only 1 bag. So you will write only 1 table. No need of plural form of tables. So table, you have to write table, not S. Okay. There are many animal, many. So you will write plural form of animal. So animals you will write. Underline this and write animal. Here you have to underline all these. Okay, because you are converting them now. Now there are many roses in my garden. Many. So you will write roses. R-O-S-E-S. Roses. Okay. Now you can convert it. Now come to the C exercise. That is given on page 16 only. You have to directly use ES. Bush will be bushes. B-U-S-H-E-S. Glass will be glasses. Branch, branches. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. You have to write ES at the end and make it plural form. F-O-X-E-S. Foxes. Dishes. Watches. Boxes. B-O-X-E-S. Brushes. B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Brushes. Bunch. Bunches. C-H-E-S at the last. Okay. Now we have completed our 16th page. Now come to 17th page. I will directly write on top of that whatever is underlined here. I will convert it on top only. But you have to write the full sentence. First I am doing in the book, but rest you will do it. First one is, there are 10 girls in my class. Here you have to rewrite the following sentence. Rewrite means you have to write the full sentence again after converting. Rewrite the following sentences changing the forms of the underlined nouns as needed to show many. You have to change into plural form. Many means plural. Many means plural. There are 10 girls. Here it is written girl. You have to convert it into plural form. Girls. So you will write there are T-E-N 10 girls. G-I-R-L-S. Girls in my class. You can see I have converted this girl into girls. S. Now same case is here also. You have to make it plural form. Where you can see it is underlined now. So you have to clear it by making it plural form. So same thing with box you will write boxes. B-O-X-E-S. Boxes. Book will be books. B-O-B-B-O-O-K-S. Books. You have to write the full sentence. I am only converting this singular form. And you will convert it and you will write the full sentence in every case. Okay. Geeta put 3 cups. It will be C-U-P-S. Cups. Alice put 4 sandwiches. It is 4 na. So it will be sandwiches, not sandwich. Make it plural. Sand. W-I-C-H-E-S. Apple. Apples. S you will put. 2 rabbits. R-A-B-B-I-T-S. Rabbits. Nose. Noses. N-O-S-E-S. My aunt greeted us with hugs and kiss when we arrived. Hugs is in plural. Hugs means gale lagana. Kiss. It will be kisses. K-I-S-S-E-S. Kisses. The plate was full of delicious sweets. S-W-E-E-T-S. Sweets. After dinner, Ritu put the dish in the sink to wash them. It will be dishes. D-I-S-H-E-S. I have 2 pairs. It will be pairs. P-A-I-R-S. Of black shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. Because you wear 2 shoes now. So you will write shoes. There are beautiful gardens in the city. There are. R is representing that there are so many gardens. So you will convert it into D-E-N-S. Gardens. 2 sheep wandered away from the flock. Sheep will not convert. So you will write only sheep, whether it is 2, 3, whatever it is. But in plural form also, sheep will remain as it is. It will not convert. So you will write full sentence like this. 2 sheep wandered away from the flock. F-L-O-C-K, flock. Sheep will not convert. Okay. 12th one. The ripe apple. It will be the ripe apples hung from the branches of a tree. You will write full sentence. I am only converting the singular into plural, but you will write the full sentence after converting. Okay. Now in this way we have completed this lesson 4, that is nouns, number. Now complete this in your workbook. Write the date, mention the date on top when you are doing, and write it with pencil. Okay, thank you.